All right, what's going on, y'all? Sean of Math Swap Tutoring here with another SAT type problem for you to practice with. Before we get going, I ask that you like this video. I ask that you subscribe to this channel as well, so you can kind of stay in touch with me and the different SAT type problems I post on here and other math problems, and videos for that matter. And then also make sure you pause this to give yourself enough time to try to solve it yourself. Okay. All right, let's get into it. Sam buys 2 large bags of bird seed from 2 different brands. Bag A contains 20% corn by weight, and bag B contains 35% corn by weight. Together, the bags contain a total of 25 pounds of corn. Write an equation that models this relationship, with A being the number of pounds of bird seed in bag A and B being the number of pounds of bird seed in bag B. Okay, so let's kind of like I'm gonna draw some pictures here. Now, you may not necessarily have time to draw detailed pictures in in on when you're taking the SAT, but it's always good if you can kind of like visualize it a little bit. At least it is in my experience. All right, so let's see what we have here. So bag A contains 20% corn. Bag B contains 35% corn. Together, the bags contain a total of 25 pounds of corn. Okay. So that means, okay, then write an equation that models this relationship, with A being the number of pounds of bird seed in bag A and then B being the number of pounds of bird seed in bag B. Now, 25 pounds of corn. Notice it doesn't say a total of 25 pounds of bird seed. If it was 25 pounds of bird seed, then it would just be A plus B equals 25, but it's not the case. We're talking about 25 pounds of corn. Therefore, okay, so let's ask ourselves how many pounds of corn do we have? If this is represented by A, this is represented by B. A is a total number of pounds in bag A. If 20% is corn, that means 0.2 A represents the number of pounds of corn in bag A. And then in similar fashion, 0.35 B is the number of pounds of corn in bag B. If we want to find the total, just add them. Uh-oh, I wrote a 0 there. It's not wrong, but I just want to be consistent. Sorry about that. All right, so 0.2A plus 0.35 B equals 25. Now, keep in mind, with the SAT, you're going to have like an answer choice. But all I'm really doing here is showing you SAT type problems and how to solve them. So keep in mind that you'll have to, choose between, you know, one of 4 choices, or you may have a grid problem where you enter the problem answer in. Okay. All right. Remember to like, remember to subscribe, share with a friend. Have a great day. Hey, thank you for watching this video. If you need math tutoring or you need SAT math help, look in the description to find out how you can sign up today. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you stay in touch with Math Swap Tutoring on YouTube. Have a good one.